Hi. So this is the lily I'll be teaching you today. For this you need 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter of square sheet of paper. First fold it diagonally. Put your pointing finger here and press it down first and then go out. This way you form a neat diagonal from corner to corner. Open. Take the other side of the diagonal and do it again. Go back. I folded the square this way and I folded the square this way. Now I reverse the paper and I fold it into the square. I give it one fold. Again I put it in the center and push it out, then push it out. Then I fold the other side. Here, push it down and push it down. The reason for doing the folds diagonally from one side and the cross from the other is because I want to get this and this up and this down, so that I pick these two up, put them together, and it forms a neat square. Now I have the closed edge over here, corner, and this is the open corner. From the closed corner I fold it this way, this way, I fold it this way, and I fold it here again. Now each of these flaps, 1, 2, 3 and 4, I open it one by one and I put them inside this pocket like this. I open this, I put my finger and make space for it and I put it. Then I take the third flap, open the pocket and put it inside. Then there is this fourth flap is there. I put it inside. I get this. So make sure we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side. Now place the flaps in such a way that we have equal flaps on each side. I want to work on this side of the flap, not on the plain side right now, this side. So I have turned the flaps in such a way that I get this. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This way. Once I get this, I open this fold this back to its original place. Along with it, I fold this slowly and I press it back. It forms a diamond. I do the same for this side. I fold this flap and I use my nail so that my edge is neat, the corners are neat. I fold this, I open this and I fold this back. I fold this in such a way that forms a diamond. Okay, one side I have done, second side I have done. Now in the third side, this I open it. And I open this. One more is left. I do the same. Yeah, so I've got the diamond here, I've got the diamond here, I've got the diamond here, and I've got the diamond here. 1, 2, 3 and 4 diamonds. Now I open the plain side. When I'm opening the plain side, I make sure that my sides are equal, the flaps are equal on both the sides. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is the open side and this is the closed side. From the closed side, I turn this way and I turn this again and I hold this. Then I take another plain side and I do the same. I fold it this way and I fold it this way. I take the other plain side, I fold it this way and I fold it this way. This is the last step before curling of the petals. Having done this, I acquire 4 petals. It looks like lily, but yet something needs to be done more. So I curl this up. I use a pencil and curl the petals and let it stay there for some time so that proper curls are formed. The petals give a natural look. Yeah, it's done.